Hello, this is Tony George. I'm the IOTA R-OTE Volunteer Coordinator. This is a short presentation on how to open R-OTE, the R code occultation timing extractor program written by Bob Anderson. First we'll start with opening RStudio, which you should have already loaded onto your computer. RStudio opens and we have several panels that open: console, an environment history window, and a files opening window. So the first thing we want to do is we want to set our working directory. We go to Session, Set Working Directory, choose Directory. The directory we want to choose is the R-OTE folder that you would have saved from the download. On my computer, I saved it under Program Files, Program Files. Oh, that's the wrong Program Files. That's x86. Under regular program files, R, and this is the R-OTE 4.5.1 package. So I'm going to select that folder, and when I do, I get a list of files in that working directory down here in this lower right hand panel. And what I want to do is select the file called userinterface.r, UI.r. And that opens up a tab in the upper left corner. And this tab has some comment lines in it that actually explains what we're doing. And the next step under item 3 is press the Run App button. And Run App is a shiny app that opens a graphic user interface in Google Chrome or whatever default browser that you have running. So this is how R-OTE opens in Google Chrome. Now I can show you that you can run the same in Internet Explorer. I have Internet Explorer 11 running on my computer. I'll copy the HTML address for this page into Internet Explorer 11. I want Internet Explorer to be my default browser. And we can see that Internet Explorer will run the same exact window that Google Chrome will run. They look very similar. The format's very similar. My preference is to run Google Chrome. Your preference may vary. You can use whatever browser you prefer. I'm going to close Internet Explorer. Okay. So now that we have R-OTE opened, I want to point out that we want to position our Google Chrome interface such that we can see RStudio in the background with the last couple of lines listed down here, and then we can see what's happening in the RStudio console at the same time that we're running the graphic user interface. So for example, if we want to open a video file, we see that a file selection window pops up, and we see that an action has been run down here in the console. Okay, so that's how to open R-OTE using RStudio and Google Chrome. That will be the end of this short presentation.